In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off auto renewal in Hostinger. If you've ever worried about being charged for a service you're not planning to keep, or you just want more control over when you pay, turning off automatic renewal is a simple but important step. I'll take you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger H panel. This is the main control panel where you manage your hosting, domains, and billing. Open your browser, go to Hostinger's website, and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be taken directly to the H-Panel dashboard. If you're not, just look for an option like H-Panel or Dashboard after signing in. From the H-Panel, look along the top of the page for the main navigation bar. Here you'll see several options, including things like emails and websites. In that same row, find and click on Billing. This is where Hostinger stores all your payment-related settings, invoices, and active subscriptions. If you manage multiple services under the same account, this is the central place where you'll control them. After you click on Billing, a submenu will appear with several more options. From this submenu, choose Subscriptions. This page lists all the active services tied to your account, such as hosting plans, domain registrations, and any additional tools you might have purchased. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can see everything clearly. Now look through the list to locate the specific service you want to stop from auto-renewing. For example, this might be your business hosting plan, a different hosting package, or another subscription you no longer need to renew automatically. Pay attention to the plan names and expiration dates to be sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have more than one service active. Once you've found the right service, look to the right-hand side of that row. You should see either a small arrow symbol, usually pointing to the right, or a Manage button next to that service. Both options will take you to the same place, where you can view and adjust details for that particular subscription. Click on the arrow or the Manage button to open that service's management page. On the management page, you'll see more detailed information about your plan, including its status, billing cycle, and renewal date. Here, look for an option that says Disable Auto Renewal. This is the control that tells Hostinger not to automatically charge you again when the current period ends. Click on Disable Auto Renewal. You may be asked to confirm your choice just to make sure you really want to turn it off. After confirming, double check that the status has updated and that auto renewal is now disabled for that service. It's a good idea to note your current expiration date so you know how long you still have access. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto renewal in Hostinger.